video.
What, my love? First, we gotta show them what the box looks like. Show them the box. Show them the box. It is, what is it called?
Wonderball.
Wonderball. And what is it?
It's a Paw Patrol.
It's Paw Patrol? And what exactly is it? Is it a toy? Is it candy?
No.
What is it?
I don't know now.
It's a big chocolate ball with candy inside.
Yeah.
Okay.
And there's a toy. Come on now.
Come on, you gotta scoot this way. Get on camera so you can't see me.
They can't see me?
No, they can't see me.
So,
Yeah.
So hi guys. We are starting our video. Hey Daddy, we need a napkin.
We need a napkin right there. Get the napkin.
Daddy, can you pause it?
No. There's a napkin.
There's the weapon that's in it. Whoa, the ball.
Show the camera when you're doing it.
Okay,
Look at the camera.
here's the ball.
Mm-hmm.
Chocolate.
And it sounds like a rattle. Shake it so they can hear it. Over here. You hear it? It's got candy in there.
Yeah, I don't know what it is. It's cracking.
Oh no.
That's okay.
And there goes all the candy.
And
What flavor is it?
him.
It's the blue one.
There's not a character.
Mm-hmm. There's a lot of characters. Bring them up here. Don't eat them.
Yep. I'm stuck. Wait, camera. The glass is just drinking.
Okay, put them right here. No, don't mix it up with the good one. Put all the ones you dropped right here. Okay, show the camera.
This one is Chase. Chase?
Chase. That one's Chase. Show them. The camera's right there.
Chase.
Mm-hmm.
And West.
Mm-hmm.
Stop taking videos.
Mm-hmm. Okay, keep going. We're almost done.
This one.
That one is
Sky.
Sky,
Everest.
Everest,
And Marshall.
and Marshall.
Here's the ball.
And there's the chocolate ball.
And there's the crab.
Mm-hmm.
And so we show them the prize.
Show them the prize. So what does it look like before you open it?
It's a 2.
Yeah.
Hear it?
Yeah. So here, gotta open this one.
Yeah.
Let's see. And it's, who is that? Who did you get?
Wobble.
Show them.
I got
Show your
Wobble,
friends.
guys.
We got Rubble. Rubble. And he's the suction cup, isn't he?
Nope. And he wobbles. So, what did I get? Oh, Wobble.
You got Rubble. What other characters can you get? You
The
get all those characters. And if we move the box, you can see him trying to eat the candy.
mm-hmm.
Is that it?
Yeah.
Tell them bye.
Bye.